In this video, we're going to take a look at contracts. The module we have here for contracts helps us easily create a task that is directly attached to a payment. It's similar to what we have under projects, but it's specifically designed for tasks that involve figures and payments. When I open it now, you'll see that it closely resembles an invoice, but because it includes activities and other elements, it's categorized as a contract. Now let me show you what you can do here. I'll review one of these contracts to give you an overview. You can see that to create a contract, you start by choosing your customer. You can add a customer or select one from your existing list. Next, you enter the subject of the contract, the amount, and the contract type. You define your contract types, and from this list, you can choose the one that fits your needs. Then you set the start and end date, add a description, and submit the contract. That's how simple it is to create a contract. Within a contract, you can share content, attachments, comments, and more. You can even create tasks under the contract, and you can view the renewal history. For example, if I have a contract for investment training with a particular company, I can set it up as a renewable contract, which will automatically renew after 6 months or annually. The contract will reflect the updated charges for the person or company you created it for. You can also add tasks, notes, templates, and email tracking under the contract. This system works similarly to projects but is more focused on contract value and details. You can also hide contracts from the customer if needed. Once you've created a contract, you can view and sign it by filling in the details and signing. If needed, you can clear or undo changes. You can also download the contract using the download button. Additionally, you can view or mark a contract as assigned, copy, duplicate the contract, or delete it. On the contracts dashboard, you'll see a simple graph showing the types and number of contracts you have. For instance, if you have 5 contracts, you'll see 5 bars in the chart. It also displays the contract value in currency. Here, I have Naira as the currency, and the lowest value in the list is around 800,000, while the highest is 3.9 million. Currently, we have 3 contracts, one for investment training with AG, another for building a new AI bot for insurance, and the third for developing an insurance API for AG customers. You can also filter contracts by subject, date, contract value, whether they're signed, year, and more. This feature is especially helpful when you have many contracts. You can search, filter, and export contracts just like in other modules. That's basically what contracts are all about. If you go to your dashboard, you should see statistics related to your contracts. Let me check. If you don't see them, you can enable them in your settings. Once enabled, you'll see a summary of your contracts on the homepage. That's it. Thank you very much, and goodbye.